Okay, the whole yard has now been cut down to 2 1/4 before dethatching. Now it's time to run that little machine. See what we get up. This battery powered 𝐏𝐿𝐬 right here has two 24-volt batteries. So I'm gonna do this 1,000 square foot area today, and we'll see how long the battery lasts. So it looks like the vortex is working pretty good to me. It completely cleaned the grass there. So based on that battery usage, I think I would easily get away with doing 2K at a time on these two batteries. Although the battery 𝐏𝐿𝐬 seemed to struggle a little bit, the work that I just did was greatly minimized from the work that I put in last year. I'm going to contribute that to the absence of that cord and the suction power on the Toro Vortex mower. Now, I finished mowing, dethatching, and cleaning up a 1K area all in about 30 minutes. Now, that being said, if I had to recommend either the battery or corded model, I would say to go with the corded dethatcher, unless you absolutely cannot handle being tethered like me. The corded one simply does the job better, it's more powerful, and it costs less. Ultimately, I'm sticking with the battery model. My lawn is small and it's getting the job done well enough.